All right, good afternoon. Here we are taking a look at the NGX9 future, which is natural gas. We actually rolled over to the new future this morning. So some of the analysis we came out with this morning on NGV9, it's pretty much working out the same way, but we're about 1,000 pips higher on the NGX9. So at any rate, the same principle across all these. Let's go ahead and actually start out with our pivot charts. As we talked about this morning, we were looking for a pullback to a 382 daily pivot zone. I think that was at 3764-ish. Was actually 4661 on this chart. The news came out during this hour, or this hourly candle right here. We came down, hit the daily pivot, but you had to be really quick on an entry to actually get that. Great entry in hindsight. Hindsight's 2020, but during the time, it really wasn't a conservative trade at all. And we actually jumped up here, and you can see we had an up move today. Everything worked out as planned, but let's go ahead and see how it happened. We're going to go ahead and look at the conservative entry on gas. What we did take, actually took a 1 minute or a 5 minute entry prior to this breakout and retest trade. But let's look at the conservative entry on this pair here, actually on natural gas. So looking at the 15-minute chart, news comes out right here. We spiked down to the daily pivot very quick on the 1 minute chart. This happened, within 1 minute, and it was already back up above 4,700. So next 15-minute candle, all systems go ahead, green. We break a prior level of resistance, which we have drawn up here at 4764, but we don't actually close above it. So that's not really a true breakout, in my book at least. So next candle, 15-minute. We clearly break above the previous resistance line. We're hoping this becomes support, and we're looking along as close as we can here to the 4764. So we get a 15-minute red candle. We come down, get close enough to the 5 EMA on the 15 minutes along, but we're looking for really to retest this line, And so next candle, green. We're holding out, and there we go right here. We get a red candle. We stop right here at our line, previous resistance. Now we're getting to some green. We turn support, and you want to get in here close as you can to the 8, right here at 4764. Stop right here below the or between the 15-minute 55 and below the 15-minute 21. So let's go ahead and move with this. We come down. We hit that 15-minute 21, and on the 1 minute chart we had a lot of support drawn up here, basically that we had assumed after coming down here. It was a 382 at 4777, I believe, which pretty much held. This hasn't closed below that 382 of this whole move up. And let's go ahead and draw a fib. So 382 held. We came down to the 50%. Actually, it was a 47.55. We closed right on it, and we spiked down to the hourly 21 or the 15-minute 21. Green candle. Right here it was tricky. We were looking at a 5-8 cross. We had the 5 and the 8 sandwiching price, but we had hope. So right after lunch, pretty much right at the beginning of the next hour, right when lunch stopped for the oil traders, bam, we get a green candle. We break 4,800 and retest the 5, and we're up. So we get in at 4760, 4777, anywhere in here pretty much between the 382 and the 50%. You're in there. Your stop is quickly moved to break even after we break this 23.6 retracement. Get above that, which is the previous highs right here. And there we go. We break out. We get a new high. Continue up. And there we go. Perfect here. We do a 50% to a 1382, and we stop here at 49.16, pretty much to the pip. So the pivot theory or the fib theory worked out. 50% to a 1382, and pretty much after that we get a 5-8 cross in the 15-minute. Good target here at the 1382. If you wanted to get out on a lower high, you had plenty of opportunity, and that's where we're at now. We're at 49.02. So we're definitely bullish on this Tomorrow we'll be looking for some longs, and we'll be looking for some shorts on oil. So we hope you made some pips. The analysis worked out pretty well today, and we got the pullback, and we got the breakout and retest. Yesterday we had a breakout and retest on natural gas as well, and we did pretty much the same thing today. Conservative entry. You're waiting on some confirmation using some 5-minute charts, and you're in. You're up, 100, 150 pips. So we appreciate you stopping by and taking a look at the review, and hope you have a good day tomorrow with trading. We'll go ahead and do a video on the outlook for tomorrow on energy this evening or tomorrow morning during the London session. And hope you have a good day. Thanks a lot. Bye.